Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for another video. So today we're gonna do another update on the Barracuda and where it's at, and this is gonna be a fairly quick video. I just want to really get to the point. So this is where I'm at with the car. I've been still working on this thing non-stop. Just some more repairs to the floorboard. It's coming together pretty well. I haven't really ground down anything here yet because I've been focused on the bottom of the car. So let's scoot underneath the car and you guys will see everything that I've been doing. All right, so here we go. Pretty much been doing all the undercarriage of the car. There was an area right here where I left off like about 1/4 inch of metal sticking out. So what I did, I cut off like an eighth inch of the material, and I kind of just rolled this edge and everything, and I tried to make this nice and clean. And there was an area like right here that had like a hole. So I've been making minor repairs to the undercarriage of the car, getting it ready for the primer that I'm about to apply to it. And over here I had an area where the sheet metal was a little separated, but that's the way it was from factory. But I didn't really like the way it looked, so I took the time to bend this metal back and put a bunch of tack welds in it, smooth everything out here, and also rolled this edges over here. Right here, when you see it, I'm going to be putting a little bit of seam sealer once all this is painted. So I'm not really too worried about this area, but everything else around it, I really wanted to make it look really nice. So I've been spending an obnoxious amount of hours trying to get all this prepped. As you guys can see, as I'm working my way down, it's pretty much stripped all the way to the back. There's still some areas that I need to be working on. Like I made a small repair here. This still needs to be ground down, but still a lot more removal needs to be done. And let's see if I can scoot up a little bit more, show you guys a little bit more of my progress here. All this is stripped down. The bottom of the trunk pan is stripped down. I still got to work a little bit over here. All that paint is stripped out already. The other video that I made, I just pretty much removed all that undercoating, and that's all gone already. I probably estimate another month, not a month, probably 2 more weeks, probably 2 more weeks of constant grinding, trying to get all this paint off of it. Just gotta get all this to this. There's a subframe connector that I fabricated myself. That's all cleaned up already. Yeah, it's pretty tight down here. It's gonna be a little tricky to paint it, but I have a special gun for this. So anyways, let me scoot up to the back and I'll show you the back of the car. I went ahead and removed the rear end so I can actually have all the access that I needed to this area to do some more repairs. There's a little bit of sheet metal that I left overhanging over here. You can see a little bit of the shavings are coming off. I've been shaving everything down. I'm really trying to get this body to look nice and straight. I want it to look as if it's the way it was from factory. So still I do a little bit more massaging, finessing in this area. Obviously this still needs to be stripped down. And over here, this is the better view now. This bottom frame is almost stripped down. This is nice and straight and clean. I did kind of nick my body filler here a little bit when I was grinding this down, so I'm going to finish all this, strip this down, then I'm going to redo the body filler here. It's just a little bit anyway. That doesn't need to be that much because you're never going to see it, but I want this to be nice and straight. But I'm gonna have to fix this again, and that's where I'm at right now, guys. So this is a better view from this point. Yeah, so that's where I'm at with this car. So I did say I was going to be updating you guys on the car, so it was just a quick update video, and hopefully you guys keep watching my content. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you guys till next time.